Hello, my dear friends. How are you? I hope you are doing well. So, welcome to my channel, Study with Praful. Today, we are going to learn question and answer of class 6, subject science, lesson number 5, substances in the surroundings, their states and properties. So, let's start with the exercise. First question is, in the paragraph below write solid, liquid or gas in each of the blank brackets depending on the substance referred to just before. On a bright sunny day, Riya and Gargi are playing with the ball, solid, in the park. Gargi feels thirsty, so Riya brings tender coconut water, liquid, for her. At the same time, a strong breeze, gas, starts blowing and it also begins to rain, liquid. They run back into the house, solid, change their clothes, solid, and then their mother gives them a cup, solid, of hot milk, liquid, to drink. Question number 2, discuss. A. Riya pours some water from her bottle into another bottle. Does it change the shape of the bottle? Answer. Yes, the shape of water changes as water is in liquid state. Liquids do not have a shape of its own. They take the shape of the container. B. Halima picks up a small stone from the ground and puts it in the water in a dish. Does the shape of the stone change? Answer. No. The shape of the stone does not change. Stone is a solid, hence retains its shape. Third, write the properties of these substances. Water in liquid state. Properties: fluidity, density, solubility, transparency, thermal conductivity. Second, glass, solid, brittleness, hardness, density, transparency. Third, chalk, solid, brittleness, density. Fourth, iron ball, solid, hardness, density, malleability, ductility, electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, luster and sonority. Fifth, sugar, solid, brittleness, density and solubility. 6. Salt, solid, brittleness, density and solubility. 4. 7. Fluor, solid, density and solubility. 8. Coal, solid, brittleness, density, thermal conductivity. 9. Soil, solid, brittleness, density. 10. Pen, solid, hardness, density. 11. Ink, liquid, fluidity, density, solubility. 12. Soap, solid, brittleness, hardness, density, solubility. Now question number 4. What is sublimation? Write the names of everyday substances that sublimate. Answer. Point number 1. The change of a solid substance directly into a gas or vapor without first changing into liquid is called as sublimation. Point number 2. Substances that sublimate: camphor, naphthalene, balls, ammonium chloride, iodine. Fifth, what is made from? Why? A. A sickle to cut sugarcane. Answer. A sickle is made of iron. An iron sickle is hard and malleable. When sharpened, it will be able to cut the hard sugarcane. B. The sheets used for roofing. Answer. The sheets used for roofing are made of plastic aluminum. Second, plastic is hard, hence protects against weather conditions. Third, plastic is transparent, hence sunlight can pass through it. Fourth, aluminum is hard, lightweight and durable. hence protects against all weather conditions. Fifth, malleable, hence form into thin sheets. C. A screwdriver. Answer. A screwdriver is made up of iron, steel and aluminum. Second, a screwdriver possesses property of hardness, hence it easily pierces a screw in piece of wood, wall, metals it is. D. A pair of tongs. Answer. A pair of tongs are made up of iron, steel, aluminum, etc. Tongs are used to fit, lift hot boiling utensils or vessels. Second, tongs are hard, ductile and malleable. Third, hence have strong grip to hold utensils. Fourth, rubbers fitted on the ends will protect from the thermal conduction from burns. E. Electric cables. Answer. Electric cables are metal wires thin, wound in plastic. 2. Metal wires possesses the property of hardness, ductility, electrical conductivity. Third, plastic rubber covering possesses the property of hardness, elasticity and are bad conductors of heat and electricity. F. Ornaments. Answer. First point, they are made up of metals like gold and silver. Second, they possesses the property of hardness, ductility, malleability, luster. G. Pots and pans. Answer. First point, they are used to cook food, hence metal like aluminum, steel are used. Second, they possess the property of hardness, ductility, malleability, thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity, microwave ovens. Now question number 6. What will happen if and why? A. Nails are made of plastic. Answer. If nails are made of plastic, they will not be able to pierce through other substances on being pushed or forced by a hammer. Plastic lacks of property of hardness. D. A bell is made of wood. Answer. First point, if a bell is made of wood, it will never make a ringing sound. A wooden bell does not have the property of being sonorous. Second point, sonority is the property of metals to produce a ringing sound. C. Rubber is not fitted on a pair of tongs. Answer. Point number 1. Rubber is a bad conductor of heat and electricity. It will not allow heat to pass through the handle of the tongs, thus protecting us. Second, pair of tongs are made up of metals which conduct heat and electricity. They have high property of thermal conduction and electrical conduction. Third, if rubber is not fitted on a pair of tongs, we will not be able to lift hot objects with it. D. A knife is made of wood. Answer. Wood does not have the property of malleability. Therefore, the edge of wooden knife will be blunt. Hence, we will not be able to cut anything with it. E. An axe is made of rubber. Answer. If an axe is made of rubber, it will not be used to cut wood or tree. Second, rubber does not have the property of hardness that is required to push through to cut it. Now question number 7. Who am I? A. I am found in the thermometer. I measure your temperature. Answer is mercury. B. I make things hot or cold. Answer is temperature. C. I have no shape whatsoever. Answer is liquid, gaseous. D. I dissolve in water but not in kerosene. Answer is salt. Now question number 8. Why does this happen? A. Coconut oil thickens in winter. Answer. Coconut oil is in liquid state. In winter, the surrounding temperature, atmospheric temperatures, starts decreasing. Coconut oil starts cooling or losing heat. It changes to solid state. Thus, coconut oil thickens in winter. D. Kerosene left open in a dish disappear. Answer. When kerosene is left open in a dish, it is exposed to surrounding temperature. As the temperature is more, kerosene starts continuously evaporating and finally disappear. The fragrance of incense sticks lighted in one corner of the room spreads to the other corner. Answer is, the fragrance of incense sticks is given out of the form of scented vapors. As vapors are in gaseous states, the gas molecules spread out in the room. The molecules of gas move very fast and there are no forces to stop them from going apart. Therefore, the fragrance of incense sticks lighted in one corner of room spreads to the other corner. D. What you see in the picture? Answer is, the mass of the plastic ball is less than an apple. The difference is because of their densities. Since an apple has greater density, it will sink to the bottom. On other hand, the plastic ball has lesser density, it will float over water surface. So friend, that was all about the exercise of chapter number 5. I will post the exercise of chapter number 6 in the next video. For further updates, please subscribe the channel and press the like button. Thank you.